Okay, I guess we're out of Campbell River. I guess that's the end of it. See you later, Campbell River. See you next year. And I'll tell you why, because the sandy dumps are closed, both of them. Propane at Co-op is now $38. 38 bucks. Can you imagine? Last summer I was paying 18 in Oshawa, well, in Ontario. Wild. So anyway, I'm just gonna start heading south. I might make it only as far as Corny or Comox. I don't know. I'm thinking about going up to Summit, Mount Washington. That would be fun. It's pretty high up. Probably be pretty cold up there. But the views would be, wow. The views would be just like the AT, Mount Washington. It's the actual same height, believe it or not. Isn't that wild? I don't know if you can see that, because it's pretty far away still. But that's Mount Washington up there. There it is. Alpine Resort, Mount Washington. Pretty cool, huh? The guy just told me there's no way you're allowed up here. Vehicles must be registered to park. So, this is a no-go. I wish we could see more of this view. I want to try and climb up here. Check that out. How wild is that? They got skiers down there. Check out the skiing. Yep. So right up behind me there, that's the peak. That's where they take the lifts up to. It's called Mount Washington. How many Mount Washingtons are there? I think there's 3 that I know of. Anyways, that's the peak. It's not as much as I thought it would be to look at. And it's covered with snow, which is kind of nice. I like that. But it's a no-go as far as staying overnight. That much I can tell you for sure. So let's move on. All right, let's go back down. Check it out. No way I would come down that. Not a chance. Thanks for visiting. See you later, Mount Washington. It was fun. Wow, what a shot of the ocean. Oh man. Go to gas and go. About 10 minutes from here, rumor has it it's a dump station, so let's go check it out. At the very least, I know it has propane, so I don't know about this. I'm thinking. You can tell the tide comes right up to where we're standing. Look at all the barnacles everywhere. I gotta be careful they don't latch on to me. No, just not feeling it. I mean, it's okay. It's a busy highway. It is by the ocean. Well, the channel. I keep saying the ocean. And yeah, I mean, it is the ocean, but it's the channel. It's the space between Vancouver Island and the mainland. So, is it called a strait, maybe? Channel? I don't know. Alright, so this is called Union Bay, apparently. And there's a bunch of these boats just sitting out there. I don't know what they are. Can someone tell me? Are they fishing boats? They must be fishing boats, right? But they're out in the middle, so like, how do you get out there? Do they swim out there? Somebody takes them out there, or what? Oh my god, I just noticed this. Look at this. There's dozens of them out there, and there's docks out there. This is weird. I've never seen anything like this. Alright, let's turn around, start heading south, go along the ocean, see what we can find. It's an adventure. It's a mystery. It's a mystery. Just as I say mystery, Mystery Beach Road right there. What are the odds? Yep, the tide's out. You can tell just by looking at it. Woohoo! 28 bucks for a full tank. That's cheap. You go! I got you. Okay, got propane, and they charge by the pound, and a full tank by the pound he charges for 28 bucks. So that's way better than the 40 bucks that Co-op does. All right, I'm sorry, I just had to stop for this. Check this out. Isn't this wild? Come on, let's go check it out. All right, let's go back. I'm losing the light, so I gotta find somewhere to live. There were a couple spots along the road here, but with it being a highway and a lot of local residential people, yeah, you know, it gets dicey, you know. You get the dreaded knock, the boom, boom, boom at midnight, and they're like, get out, and that's traumatic because you're half asleep still, and they're trying to get rid of you. Uh-oh. Water is coming in quick. All right, enough dilly-dallying. Let's go find a place to live tonight. One last look though, isn't that pretty? Gorgeous. Okay, I think I found something. It's about 6 kilometers away. I found it on what's called Onyx Backcountry, so we'll see. So far today I've just been using Overlander, but let's give it a shot and see what we think of it. Although I like it being by the ocean, I don't like it being by the highway, and I definitely don't like it being right beside this house. I thought I'd have something to say about that, so I'm gonna keep going on. Alright, 12 minutes, 10 kilometers. Let's do this! And this is old historic downtown Parksville. Okay, we're almost there. Oh, okay, we have a winner. Oh boy, do we ever have a winner. And there's somebody here too. Oh, wait a minute, there's a sign. Shoot. Let me check the sign. No camping. Oh. Your destination is on the right. Okay. I don't see any signs, but I'd like to get away from the road though, because the highway's like right there. You know what I'm saying? Okay, we're home. We're by a couple of big highways, but you know what? It is what it is. You look. That's the main highway right over there. Okay, that was easy. Not a pretty spot. It's not by a lake. Doesn't have fire pits or hiking trails or guided tours of, you know, trees and stuff, but we're just a little south of what's called Parksville. We're very close to a dump station too, which I'd like to go visit in the morning. Okay, coffee, nice dinner. I have hamburger meat. I'm going to do sloppy joes tonight. Check out the little rabbits, black rabbits. Good morning, Parksville, British Columbia. That's where we are right now. So, things to do, places to go, things to see. I got a couple chores I want to do. There's a free dump station down here. Got to check that out, always. Especially when it's free. It's going to be a busy day. It's going to be a nice day. The sun's out. It's charging up my batteries. I don't have to run my generator, which is so nice. Anyway, let's go get this. Woohoo! Actually, I'm going to take the little baby tripod too. Wow, what a day out. This is wild. This is without a doubt the warmest day so far of the year here so far. This is nice, very nice. Okay, this is called Englishman River Provincial Park or Regional Park. We have a suspension bridge. Wow, not allowed to hike up there. Some more of these monster trees. That was some work. I'm out of shape. I gotta get hiking more. But with the winter and everything, the rainy season, but this is, I could live here. I could really live here. Like, this is gorgeous. And it's just, it really suits my lifestyle. Outdoors, hiking. hiking, outdoors, camping. Okay, next on the list, Dragon Tree. And then, I don't know if we'll get down there, that's 81 kilometers away. But the Kinsold Trestle, those are all on my list. Awesome. There's a sandy dump here. I get to dump my tanks and see a tourist attraction. Nice. There might be a way to still get there. We have to hike there though. Alright, I want to go over here. This looks interesting. Do not feed the rabbits. You know what? That's something I've noticed on the island here. There's rabbits everywhere. Well, this is it. The Dragon Tree. Interesting. Oh, I see it now. It's the branch. It looks like a dragon's head. So 2 miles down, sorry, 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers back. And then I did a 4-kilometer loop over by the suspension bridge. Hell, I got 8 clicks in and it's only 9:30. This is starting to feel like a through hike. That was fun. I think I'm gonna go sit down for a minute and maybe have my second coffee for the morning. Look at my little baby. Love that thing.